Alright everybody, how's it going? ABC Pwned here with another tutorial for A Pirate's Tale on Roblox. So today we're going to show you guys how to get the elusive Inferno Sword relic that you can acquire in the game. Kind of like we did the Precursor Shield video, but now we're doing the Inferno Sword video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have to find 4 different gems. There's a red one, a blue one, a yellow one, and a green one, I believe. And the thing about these is they actually spawn in complete random places on every server. Like each server will have different spots. But we do have a bunch of places for you guys, and I'll try and explain best where every single one is. We do have some here though. Let me pull it over here. Alright, so this is one of the areas. This is in the swamp area. I'm not sure what it's called. Let me look here. Hallowed Marshland. Alright, so one of the gem areas is in Hallowed Marshland. You just kind of go inside the marshland area, and then it's kind of on your left hand side. There's a little kind of like a ship from Star Wars that kind of crashed, and there's a gem there. There's also a gem. Which gem is this one from? Oh god, I think this is a waterfall gem. Wait, I have pictures of them. I sent them to Lanty. Let me scroll up and find out which one this one was at. Alright, this one is in the Ark Island waterfall, so you're going to have to go to the Ark Isle and then go into some waterfall and you'll find this area, and it could or could not have a gem. Remember guys, just because you see a gem in one of these pictures, it doesn't mean there's actually a gem there when you go to it, because the way that these gems work is they just spawn randomly on every server. So yeah, there's that one. And then we have this one here. It's kind of like the Ark Island inside small house and cave. So when you go to Ark Isle, you'll see a small house, and then you go into the small house and you'll go through a cave, and then there is a pirate ship in the cave, and there should be a gem there if you are lucky. Alright, this one is pretty easy. This one's just at Ash Island. All you need to do is kind of go up this little trail right here, and you will find like Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader, and sometimes there's a gem here as well. Alright, what else do we have here? Alright, this is at, let me see the island name here. Where is that at? This is at Thorpian Domain. It's actually behind the King's Seat. So when you go to Thorpian Domain, you could go into this little area where the king is, and you could look behind his seat, and you will maybe find a gem there. There's also another one at Thorpian Domain. I think I took a picture of it. Here we go. This is on the kind of like island of Thorpian Domain. So there's two that we know of spawn locations here. This is on the Frostland Island. We're not too sure if this is an actual spawn or not, but it could be. So it's best to check if you have not found one. What else do we have here? We also have this guy. I don't know why this guy is spamming me. Let me do on DND here. There we go. So we also have this guy's Trello. So shout out to this guy, whoever made this Trello. He put a couple more on there that we didn't know. Oh, here's one. SpongeBob Island, which is actually kind of underneath, what do you call it? Ash Island. I'll actually open it up. It's this island where my cursor is at. And if you go to there, you can actually find a chest, or a gem and a chest there. Alright, what else do we have here? Where's that Trello page at? So that's SpongeBob Island. There's also this one. Oh god, where's this one at? Alright, this is at Crossroads. So there's a big tower at Crossroads, and there's a chance for a gem to be there. And also at Crossroads, there is like a little dungeon area that you can access. It's kind of hard to get into it. I don't think I took a picture of it, but it should be near the tower. You need to pull a lever to get into the dungeon, and there is apparently a gem in there. I'm not too sure though. Alright, we also have Dock Island spawn right here. It's the lighthouse, I believe. All you need to really do to get to that one is go to Dock Island and go up the lighthouse. Alright, there's a lot more though. Oh yeah, what island is this one at the big tree? Let me look in game here. I kind of forget. I think that's at, is it at Cave? Lanty, is it Cave Pirates with the big tree? Alright, so we got the big tree one at Cave Pirate spawn right here. You guys can just go there, and it's usually behind the tree. What else do we have? There is absolutely a ton of these guys. Getting this is such a pain. Alright, this is a Stormwell Keep one, by the way. So if you go to Stormwell Keep, there's a little dungeon area that has a possibility of having a red gem or any kind of gem. it doesn't really, the color doesn't really matter. But there's an absolute shitload of them. Outset Haven, there's one here. You kind of need to like go up the long pathway, then jump down to here, and then you might find a gem along the way of right here. Oh man, there's just an absolute boatload of them though. I'm not even sure if we've shown you all the ones that we have actually found. I think this is just Ark Island. Yeah, we've already shown you that one. Any more of these? Winterhelm. Alright, so Winterhelm, there's a bunch of rocks in the water, and you will just go along all the rocks. They're kind of like not in the water, but you should find them because there's like a clump of like 10 rocks. But you have a chance of a gem being there. What else do we have here? There's an absolute boatload though, guys. Like, I'm not joking. Let me just double check. I don't want to miss any for you guys, just in case you try and find it. I know there is a couple more. Do I have the picture of the, where's that one on? It should be on my Gaizo. My own Gaizo here. Let's refresh. Where did I put that picture at? Here it is. Alright, so this one is at the, which cove is that at? I think it is Port Pirates. You'll find a sunken ship, and at the Crow's Nest there could be a gem there. And I think that's about it. There might be a couple more that we forgot of, but there's just an absolute boatload, and I mean a boatload of different spawn possibilities that you guys will find. So yeah, that's about it. I have another second part that I'm going to put together in this video that shows where you go after you get the 4 gems. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the spawns. There's definitely a lot more spawns because it took us like 3 or 4 hours of searching just to find this amount of spawns. But hopefully you guys get it, and let's just chop up to the second part here. Okay guys, we're back. We just found the 4 gems. After you find the 4 gems, you're going to want to come here on the map. If you press M, you could see. It's just at Ash Island right here. It's a nice little temple. All you need to do is press the little gem things, and then it should bring you down. We haven't done this part yet, so I'm not really sure what we actually have to do. But it looks like the elevator is bringing us down. Just wait for it here. Alright, there we go. Okay, so let's pull our lantern out here. It looks like a little maze area. I'm not sure if you die you have to restart it all. Probably not, but we're not too sure, so we'll see. Okay, so it looks like there's multiple ways. I'll just come with you. It's better to stay together. But yeah, basically after you get the 4 gems, you go to the temple, and then you're here, and then you have to go through a maze-ish area to find it. I'm not sure.
This is dead end. This is the dead end.
Alright, let's go the other way then. This is a really hard, quest though, so I mean, it took us like 3 hours just to find a server with actual like all 4 gems, because you can't hop to different servers once you find it. You have to like find all 4 gems on the same server. Yeah. Hopefully this is a way here. We haven't actually done this, so this is kind of like a tutorial while we actually get the blade, I guess. I don't know. We'll see though. Hopefully this is a way here. Did we?
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
No, I don't think so.
Oh god, this is so confusing. Hopefully we don't need something like that we forgot to bring.
Oh shit, we found it.
Oh nice. Oh, it looks like there's some parkour here. We're gonna take this really slowly, just because I don't want to restart all of this. There we go.
I'll go first.
Alright, yeah, you go first. What happened?
Oh
god! Oh no, I bet this stuff, like, wait, what happened?
You gotta go on the right stones, like the right path.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
How? Lanty, how are we supposed to know this?
I don't know.
I think I found out the way, actually. Because some of the stones are whiter than the other ones. I bet you have to only touch the white ones. Yeah, looks like it.
Wait, never mind.
Yeah, I was right. Alright guys, so for this part, you have to touch the little whites. You need to look at all of the stones, and you need to touch the white stones and not the red stones. If you touch the red ones, you will die like Lanty died.
I didn't even mean to touch them. Damn. I'll let you know if you still.
Oh, you could use a torch to kind of see them better. Here we go. Almost done here. There we go. We got past that part. I think we're done, actually. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And then we just click the sword here. And then there we go. Awarded Temple Guardian title. And we're going to get the sword here as well. Inferno Sword. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the guide. Hopefully you guys can figure this out because this is really hard. I'm just going to stick around here and help Lanty out. But until then, this is ABC Pwned again, and I'll see you guys later.